What is this? Snook! That was a tarpon. He's gonna jump. Yep, there he is!
What is going on, everyone? Today is Sunday, November 11th, I think, and I got about 2 hours to try and do some fishing, so I went ahead and picked up 2 dozen shrimp. Decided to come here and see if I can fish some docks or mangroves and see if I can get some redfish or snook. Just gotta load up the kayak, get it in the water, and get this show on the road.
It is super low tide right now. I was actually trying to go to a different spot, but when I pulled up to it, it was completely out of the water. So this is my little backup plan. There's a couple docks and a couple of these mangrove islands in here that usually hold some fish. So we'll see how it goes on this tide right now. So all I'm using are these 5.0 circle hooks right here. 5.0 might be a little big, but hell, we're going for big fish today. So all I'm doing is a clinch knot onto the circle hook. Just twist it around 5 or 6 times, put it back through that bottom hole. Kind of tighten it down a little bit, and then put it back through that top hole right there. Wet it up. Cinch it down. You're good to go. You really don't have to, especially on a low tide like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw a split shot on. Also, this is a pro tip. You're not going to get this anywhere else. If you have live shrimp in one of these buckets, it's highly recommended, you know, to keep them in the water. There we go. I also realized I forgot my anchor. That would really help in this situation in case I do hook like a big redfish or something under these docks. It starts pulling me toward it, but nothing I can do now. Just got to make it work. I just saw a shrimp jump underneath there, so something was chasing that shrimp. So what I do when I'm going after redfish is I'll take my shrimp and actually bite the tail off, just spit it out, and then I'll feed my hook through the shrimp like that, and just kind of bring it out. And this wind is gonna mess me up. Let's give it a shot. All I do is cast it in there and just let it sit on the bottom and wait for something to come and pick it up. That was a tarpon. Tarpon just rolled right here. Got him. Oh, it's a ladyfish. Damn it. Okay. I thought that was a tarpon. That might have been him. Never caught a tarpon back in here. And just free line a shrimp and see what happens. Might have to put a smaller hook on. It's a massive hook. Right where he was. Yeah, I think these hooks might be a little bit big for him. Smaller. Oh, I got a tiny one. That might be perfect. I got something. What is this? Snook. There we go. Got a little snook. Hey there, little guy. He's barely hooked. There we go. Pretty cute. Just ate that shrimp right by the dock. I was casting it toward it. Awesome. Let him go. There he goes. Yeah, even though I just caught that snook, I'm gonna go ahead and put a smaller hook on. I was watching that shrimp and it was getting weighed down by this big hook. I don't even know how big this hook is. Freaking tiny. Shrimp will be able to swim now. I want to get one of these tarpon. That was like the one that rolled before was like a little 5-pounder. It would definitely eat one of these shrimp. Yeah, if you're gonna be doing this, bring an anchor. Alright, let me get in position again. This wind's gonna beat the death of me today. Look how much I'm moving already. Yeah, here we go. That was another little snook. Really wish I had an anchor right now. Got an idea. Haha. Homemade anchor. All right, now we can fish. Oh, that was a fish. There we go. That's a nicer one. Was that red? Yeah, it's a little red. Come here, dude. Oh, baby red. There we go. Pretty little redfish. Oh, oh, that's a ladyfish. Those are ladyfish. Back over there. That's not a ladyfish. Another little red. This one's even smaller. He's adorable. His tail is so blue. Look at this guy. Look at that tail. You can see that blue on the tail right there. Pretty fish. So all I'm doing is taking these shrimp. I got this little tiny circle hook on. Just kind of hooking them right in the back, kind of toward the tail, like that. And now I just let them swim around, and then you'll feel a thump. That's a little bit better. Another red. And it was literally that quick. You saw how quick that was. I didn't edit that or anything. Just a school of these little rat reds. All about the same size. Bigger shrimp, bigger fish, right? That's how that always works. He got eaten right away. There we go. Freaking ladyfish. It's because I said something. Stop. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Oh, there's a ladyfish for you. So what I do is I kind of, well, you'll feel a thump. But I'm also like watching my line too. That's like a good way to, because sometimes it's very subtle and you won't even feel a thump. You'll just see your line start going. Ladyfish takeover right now. Haven't caught anything since I started catching ladyfish. There we go. I'll try a couple more shrimp here and then might have to end up moving if the ladyfish are taking over. Tarpon. That was a tarpon. If I can get a tarpon, I'll be so happy. Just got repositioned. Hopefully I can get a tarpon now. There's one right there. Just free lining a shrimp right now. Trying to get these little juvenile tarpon. Mullet. Oh my God. Oh, that was definitely him. What is this? Looks like the smallest jack I've ever seen in my life. Look at the size of this dude, he's adorable. Grew up to be 40 pounds. Give it a couple more shots at these tarpon. That might have been one right here next to me. Oh, girl. Got him. I got something. Feels... Oh my God, it came off. No, that was him. That was definitely him. That was big. Well, not big, but it wasn't a tiny jack or a ladyfish, I'll tell you that. Oh my God. Why are you not working? One shrimp now. Literally my last shrimp. There we go. He's gonna jump. Yep, there he is. Woo! Woo! This is sick. There he goes. Look at that. Oh, he broke. That was fun. I cannot complain with that. Alright. Well, since that was my last shrimp, I guess it's time to head in. Damn it. Alright. I'm definitely going to be back here. Yeah, it was about a 10-pound tarpon right there. That was a little bit bigger. I thought they were going to be like little 5-pounders.
So that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That would mean a lot. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna try and plan to post like 2 or 3 videos a week, mostly of me fishing, but I'm also trying to plan some camping and traveling in the near future. So if any of that interests you, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.